In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 in a single day on Clickbank. I'm going to show you everything, including the actual offer, the traffic source, and the method. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future content. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 in a single day on the website Clickbank. I'm going to show you everything from the traffic source to the method, everything including proof as well. So I'm going to jump on my computer now and show you exactly how to do it. Right, so you're just on my computer now. Now I'm going to show you how I made $100 in one day on Clickbank. So basically, I don't use Clickbank. Today, or this week, is the first time I've tried promoting a Clickbank offer. Basically, I signed up to it ages ago, found that a lot of the offers were quite spammy and stuff. But this week I thought I'll give it a go, I'll try it out because I've seen people making money on it. I do affiliate marketing anyway, so I thought if I just apply the things that I do already with affiliate marketing to Clickbank, I should make a sale. And I have made sales. So I'm going to show you how I made them sales. And I'm going to tell you exactly from the exact offer, traffic, method, everything. So I'm just going to log into my Clickbank account here now, just to show you when it loads. Might take a bit of time. There we go. So as you can see, this week I made on one day $98.65. And this is literally from one single, one campaign. It took me 30 minutes to set up. I set it going and I've made $100, almost $100. So, and I've not used Clickbank. So this is perfect for beginners because I'm literally a beginner on Clickbank. So I'm going to talk you through exactly how that works. So first of all, it's about choosing the offer. So how did I choose the offer? Really easy. So if you've not got a Clickbank account, just create a Clickbank account. Really easy. It's free to join. And it's basically, you can promote any offer on there and you can earn a commission if you don't know how it works. But you click on Marketplace here. So it shows you all of the different niches down the sides for all the different products which are available on Clickbank. And you can go through these and choose whichever niche you want to promote. But a good little tip is if you click the search button here, it brings up all of the offers on Clickbank. And then you can filter them via most popular and the ones that are selling the most. So that's what I've heard most people do is you search here, you go on gravity, which means the ones that are selling the most, and you filter them for the ones that are selling the most and basically sell them, because in theory that would be the best ones to promote. But I didn't do that. What I decided to do, because I thought if everyone's promoting the same offers, it's going to be harder to promote. So I've seen these offers have been around for a while and they're still selling great, but that means big affiliates are obviously promoting these. So I decided to go here. And you can look at date added to Marketplace. So I just changed that to like the end of May. And then I seen these offers here. So this offer that pops up is called Kindle Sniper. And it's only got a gravity of 32. So the most selling, I don't really know what the number means, but the most popular, highest selling item then had like 200 and odd gravity. So the lower the number means the less it's selling. But I thought that's good though. It's a new product and it's the best selling of the newest products. So I went with this one, Kindle Sniper, and I'll just show you what it is. So basically all it is, it's just a digital product. And basically, it shows you how to make money with Amazon's Kindle like ebooks, and it says basically you can make money with selling ebooks, but you don't even need to print them yourself. But basically, it's a product. It costs $37 to purchase, and they show you how to make money with that. So I thought it's pretty cool. Sounds all right. It seems less salesy and less scammy for a lot of the offers. So I decided to go with this one anyway. And I thought the fact it's about Amazon, and it's almost like a hack for Amazon, there's a bit of a hook there. So I had the offer in mind. This is the offer I went with. So then rather than just grabbing the affiliate link and trying to promote that, which a lot of people think that's what you do, trying to post it on Facebook and things, that doesn't work. So what I did is I created a landing page and an email opt-in form. So I'll show you the page that I created. So I created this on Builderall, but you can use anything, whether you've got ClickFunnels or whether you've even got WordPress. It's a really simple landing page. It took like 20 minutes to make, not even that. And all I wrote here was, this secret Amazon hack is generating me 10,300 and whatever every week in total passive income, because I took some of them figures from the sales video. Click here to watch the video. They click there to watch the video, and then it actually asks them for an email. So I set this up to ask for their email address before they view the video, and I said get free instant access to my video. So when they come here, they think they're going to get a free video revealing how to hack Amazon and make money, which is kind of what it is. But they have to enter their email address. They enter their email address, and then they come to that sales page. But when they enter their email address, what I do is I've set this to my email autoresponder, which is inside Builderall, but you can use any email autoresponder. And then I set that up with some emails. I only set 3 emails up because I've not got around to finishing it yet. So as soon as they enter their email address, I send them an email reminding about this product. And if they don't buy it straight away, I send them another email the next day saying, are you sure you don't want to buy it? Selling it to them. And then if they don't buy it again, I send them another email. So I've collected their email and send them to that. And that's basically all I did. So that's what I created. So what I created was so I've created the landing page, an email opt-in form so I can collect the emails and build my email list and keep retargeting to those people. But then obviously you need traffic. So what I decided to do was go for paid traffic, and my choice of traffic was solo ads. So if you don't know what solo ads are, they're basically email adverts sent out to a list of subscribers. So you find someone that's got a list of subscribers already. So they've got a massive email list. They're like internet marketers. They're usually in like the make money online niche. And basically you can buy adverts off them. So you'll send them a link to your landing page and they will send it out to their subscribers and you will pay per click. So I purchased my solo ads from this website here called Udemy, UDIMI. I'll leave a link down below so you can sign up to this if you want to use this. And the link will get you $5 off your first order. So yeah, the link's down below. But basically, this is what I use, Udemy. So all it is, it's just like a directory of people that I've got massive email lists, and they're basically selling solo ads. So you send them your link, and they will send traffic to your link via their email list, and you pay per click. So you can just scroll down here and find them. There's reviews on them and things like that. And the clicks range from anything from like 25 cents per click up to like 80 and 90, even $1 per click. So you just scroll down and find people who are in your price range that have got good reviews. So I decided to go for one that was 60 cents per click. So for 100 clicks, that costs $60. But so you just click, if you want to order from, you just click on the person here that you want to order them from. You then can scroll here to say how many you want to order. So I want to order 100 clicks. It's going to cost $53. And then you basically just paste in your link there. Leave everything else blank, that's fine. Click add to cart, purchase it, and then they'll let you know when it's live. And then I let that go and receive clicks to it. So they sent me this tracking link just to show you that I basically received 100. They give me some extra clicks. They give me 110 clicks to this offer. So they sent 110 clicks to my landing page. They came to the landing page. About 42 of them entered their email address. So that's a 42% conversion rate onto the offer, which was great. So that means I had 42 people in my email list. And from that, just one of them, only one of them, decided that they were going to purchase this and sign up. But the great thing about Clickbank is they actually have upsells. So they have another offer which they upsold. So I only got one person purchasing and I earned like $20 from that. But they actually upsold them to some other items while they were purchasing. So if I just click here now, I'll just show you. So here I actually had one sale of the original offer, which was $19. They then upsold them to another offer, which was $53. And then they upsold them again to another offer, which was $25. So that's how I made $98 just from one person. So if you actually work it out, I only made around about $40 profit from that offer. So it's not quite $100. I made $100 coming in, but it was only $40 profit. But that might not sound great, but that is $40 total profit coming in to my bank. So that means I can go and order 200 clicks and make $80. I can keep upscaling and it doesn't cost me a penny. So it's free money, it's printing free money. But that's not the only thing. I'm still sending these people that entered their email address emails trying to sell it to them. So they could eventually decide that they are going to purchase it, because apparently people don't usually make a buying decision until they've seen something 6 times on average. So if I send them 6 emails, I might get another 1 or 2 of those people signing up for the offer because they've started to build a bit of trust in me. But not only that, here's the great thing about building an email list and why you need to add an email opt-in form onto your offers. Whether you're doing any kind of affiliate marketing, you need to add an email opt-in form, because those 40 odd people are now mine. They belong to me. They're on my email list. So if I keep ordering more solo ads and it's not costing me any money, I'm making money from it, I'm just building my email list for free. So then if I do this 10 times, I'm going to have 400 people in my email list. And then eventually I can just go on Clickbank and look for a different offer and then send it to my own list. And then if only one of them purchases it, I'm still going to make another $100 or more. So what you actually eventually do, you build an email list of people that you can start to retarget with other offers, and that's where the money is. So even if I didn't make any money on this Clickbank offer, I still would have built a list. It was just a bonus that I made $40 profit, and now I'm building an email list for free that I can retarget. So it was a total success, and I'm so happy with the results. And that just goes to show you how easy it is to make money with Clickbank, and also how easy it is to build your email list. All you need to do is create a basic landing page with a good little hook on it that grabs their attention. So rather than just writing what's on that page, I'm like a secret hack and passive income and using words like that. And then show it a free video. It's like about the language that you use. So if you get this page right down, get a good hook on it, and gives them a reason to click, then you'll get people going through and you'll get people signing up to Clickbank, signing up to your offers, and you're making money from it. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to keep buying more clicks, going to upscale and upscale and upscale until it stops making me money, and I'm going to have a massive email list. That's everything for this video. I just thought I'd share it with you from start to finish, exactly how it worked, because I know a lot of people want to know how to make money on Clickbank, so I thought I'd just share it from start to finish. Hope you found it valuable. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you've got any questions about anything, just give me a shout in the comments below. Until next time, cheers guys.